Okay, so we have a Rona cordless drill. Comes with 2 batteries, as you can see. So this has been in storage for a while. I don't know how well these batteries are holding a charge, but as you can see, when you plug it in here, it's charging. Same with this one. Plug it in here, and it's charging. So you just take one of these batteries, plug it in as such. Done this for a while. Oh shit! There we go. Okay. So as you can see, it works. High, low. Yeah, so there you go. Includes 2 batteries, a charger, and the drill. Drill works fine. Batteries seem to hold the charge okay, but again, I don't know how long the charges will be held for. So, but from what I gather, it seems to be okay so far. Okay?